Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can rotate a mesh in Blender. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do is just to select the mesh and then press tab on your keyboard and then go to mesh, transform, and rotate. And now you can also, for those that like to use shortcuts, just press on your keyboard R to rotate. I hope this short tutorial helped you out and saved time. And if you like daily tutorials and more tutorials, more Blender tutorials and other tutorials, subscribe for daily tutorials and let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestion. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.